Hi, this is Pooja from India Book of Records, and today we have Anjali Zalke as a record holder. Hi, Anjali, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm very fine. Thank you.
First of all, congratulations for your record. You have made the longest stitching marathon by an individual using a swing machine record. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Anjali, first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, I'm Anjali Zalke, currently based in Pune, and root from the Nagpur. Nagpur is a orange city, middle of the India,
Yes.
and I'm very passionate about sustainable products.
Right.
In my life, in my childhood, also we used to use so much of means we are very much precaution taking about not to go anything in a waste. So from there till the now age is a necessity.
Okay, of course.
I always explore something on how we can make it use it for longer periods, not only the short term. And I don't like to use the product, just use it and the waste. So I'm very much conscious about not to waste anything or try to reuse something on it.
Means you are a very eco-friendly person, right? Okay, and that's the reason why this record you have made, right? Wonderful, wonderful. Let me read your record first. So the record for performing the longest stitching marathon using a swing machine was set by Anjali Anmol Zalke of Pune, Maharashtra. She performed a stitching marathon for 24 hours and 6 minutes. She cut and stitched 12 sets of items, including of a set of sofa covers, a pair of cushion covers, dresses, and an organizer using a swing machine. So, Anjali, can you just explain what exactly this record is all about? What is a stitching marathon?
Stitching marathon is the word marathon is you have to do something on a longer period.
Right.
So
Okay.
why stitching? Because teaching is something which needs your brain and your physical, your hands. It should go. It should be coordinated. And I saw my dadi, my nani, doing crochet and things because, and for that matter, they are at the my dadi is 97 at the age of 97, but
So she's still okay. Okay, so she's still sitting. Okay.
She can remember everything. She can do her own small things. She can cook for some time. At the age of 97, if she can do, because from very early age they are starting. They are using their brain and hand. They don't forget the coordination is very much important of your brain and your hand.
Okay.
So we are teaching child, the toddler, to do the things. But yes, for the longer age, for good health, you should use it. And that is the reason I use stitching marathon. I love stitching. I love stitching the clothes for me, for my child, and whatever it is a first choice. Kuch dena hai, so let's do it with a handmade, not with the just go in a market and bought it. So we try to do it in a handmade things. I am very much love to give handmade things to the any person. So
right.
This
Is like passing generation by generation. Right.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
nice. So let me just show your work to my viewers first. Let me share the screen. Okay. So just tell me when, if you can see this. Okay. So this is the thing which you have made. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the sofa set.
Yes.
Right. And yes. See, cushion cover.
Yes.
A beautiful frock.
Yes.
Again, dress. This is bag. Okay. Nice. Lovely. And this is the organizer. All right. And this is Toran. Okay. All right. Toran that we put on our door. Right. Baby frog again. And this is flower cover. Oh, lovely. Okay. And fabric bowl. Nice. So cute. Okay. And quilt. And carom board cover. Lovely. Right. Beautiful. Okay. So, okay. So now, Anjali, we just saw your, your all things which you have made. So just tell me what exactly the raw material you have used to
See,
make this record.
actually, raw material is the old bedsheet, old
Okay.
sari,
All right.
and the curtains, which we are not using, because now it is a trend that you cannot want to see the same curtain for years and years.
Of course, of course.
But the
It's
material
unique.
of
Right,
curtain is too thick,
right.
and simultaneously you cannot wash it for means in a regular basis.
Okay.
It is the material and everything is very sturdy, and for that reason, from that sturdy material I make organizer and carom board cover, because we need something strength on that. And the sari frock, you say that yellow frock is my niece give me on her first salary, that
Okay.
material. So from her first salary, the person is giving you something, and you are just wearing 2-3 times and then throwing it. So I don't feel it the nice means gratitude to that person also. So I make a dress. At least
Okay.
dress now I can wear for at least 10-15 times, and then again we can make something else of it.
Such a
So
wonderful thought. Yes, exactly.
the love should be carried, and the person is seeing that yes, my gift is taken care from the very first stage till it is very मतलब जब तक के पूरा ये नहीं हो जाता, खराब नहीं हो जाता, तब तक के
तब
कोई
तक
यूज
यूज करते रहो. Right, right, right.
वो
Lovely.
जो फर्स्ट
Love.
सैलरी का अगर गिफ्ट कोई मुझे दे रहा है, तो इट इज वेरी मच लवेबल एंड वेरी मच पैशनेट अबाउट मी, कि जो मुझे पहले सैलरी का चीज दे रहा है. सो एंड दैट जो quilt I made, it is my mom-in-law sari and my mother sari. So
So it's like a complete utilization of your things which you have. Right. Lovely. So Anjali, just tell me one thing. When did this idea come to your mind that you want to do this record with India Book of Records?
see, it is means there are something which you want to do. You have something passionate, but that passion comes to in when you get a reward.
Right.
That time the passion or the skill, it's come in a picture. So
Okay.
I stitch from long time, but वो होता है ना घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. Because
Okay.
I'm not earning from that. I'm just doing it for myself. So I am not a professional boutique, or I'm not a professional in a stitching. I don't have any degree of stitching also. It is just because of my mother and because of my grandmother, it comes to me. The stitching, the skills जो आता है generation to generation आ रहा है, that is come to me. And on that day, on 4th of Jan, I attempted. That day was my nani's death anniversary. So I love her so much. And when she passed away, that time the gratitude or showing the love, I'm not in that age to show the love. So now I saying, no, this is the time that at least now I can show her that you are really memorable and you are
Because you
really
wanted to show the world that yes, you can do something, yeah, and you can achieve something. See, that's why you are here today. Right, right, right. Very
and
nice.
gratitude to your loved ones is always is never the late, whenever you feel to give it.
Exactly. So, Anjali, did you face any problem, any hurdles during this time? Because, doing a work for continuously for 24 hours is like very challenging.
Yeah.
Did you face any hurdles, any problems during this?
First some few hours before I started, my child is there to monitor everything.
Right.
My husband
Okay.
is there. So
Okay.
he's telling me, Mama, 1 घंटे के पहले उठना नहीं है. So he's always there. He's timekeeper for me. So he always tell me, no, you have to sit for 1 hour. Means he is continuously monitor. Okay, I'm going for washroom. I'm taking a 10 minutes break. He called me within 8 minutes. Mama, 10 minutes is going to end.
So like your family is your strength of pillar. Exactly. That is why.
Yeah.
Okay.
That means there are friends who are taking care of food. They are making the food, they are giving to me, and there are all the systems, the neighborhood and my family supported me. Is really a fabulous thing they did for me, and because of their support I can do it.
Very nice. Very nice. So now, Anjali, do you have any future plans? I mean, you want to continue with these kind of records with India Book of Records? Do you have any plans in future?
Yes, I do have some plans because there are so much of things in a crafting, in a sculpture. I do Ganpati
Nice, nice.
sculpture. We do eco-friendly decoration at my place whenever
Okay.
Ganpati is there. And Ganpati is also eco-friendly. I'm using that material, the mitti.
Nice.
After immersing, I again use that mitti to make a showpiece. So there are so much of things which we can do it for the eco-friendly living.
Okay.
And just for that, I want to create my own brand also, so that
Okay.
people
What
can
kind of brand? What kind of brand you are making?
it's about the eco-friendly, just like a sculpture. The
Okay.
sculpture of mitti, the shadow mitti we use for Ganpati, and we
Okay.
immerse that Ganpati in water. And after that, we can use that material again for making some showpiece and some other decorative piece also.
Such a
For
noble
the
initiative. Very nice. Beautiful.
fabric
Very
also.
nice.
And
Very,
with India Book of Record, there are so much of records I'm planning.
very good. Very good. Nice. So we'll love to see you more here. Okay. So now one last question. Any message to our viewers, especially the girls, especially the ladies who can get, you are inspired by you. Any message to our viewers?
Yes, I would like that. I'm a homemaker by choice.
Yes. Okay.
So utilizing your time and efficiency in an effective way is always important. To
Okay.
pick up any hobby which you like and just follow it. It helps you in a mental health. It helps you in a strength, physical health, which is very much important in this stressful life. So for half an hour, for 1 hour, you are doing meditation for your hobby. What I can say is about.
Very nice. It's lovely talking to you, Anjali. And thanks for giving your time, right? So we wish you a better future, right? And see you more in this kind of podcast with lots of new records, right? Thanks for giving your time, Anjali. Good evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you for the opportunity and thank you for the appreciation.
Pleasure is
Thank you.
ours. Right. Good evening.